that bounce.
You're about to shake it too much.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already seen my attempt to install a frontal, I highly recommend you go back and watch that because that was a hot ass mess. But you know, with mess ups come the opportunity for corrections. So today I have my friend, she's coming over and she is going to help me correct it. I already recorded my feelings about the hair, so I'm just gonna insert that for you guys before we get into fixing it because, you know, I want you guys to know what we're working with. So let's see that clip. This right here is the pretty wig that I will be installing. And it was sent to me by Asteria hair. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. It is a 14-inch curly bob wig. And I got it in the 180 density. They have 150 density. And a good thing about them is that they also have the cap measurements. So there's small, there's medium, there's large. I think I got it in the small because I measured my head and my measurement said small in the small, medium, and large. I washed her because I had to bleach the knots, and I conditioned her after I washed her, obviously. And I have to say that so far, so good. Like, I'm running my fingers through her, no shedding, and very little tangling. The tangling is like, gets kind of more to the bottom where like more of the hair is, but otherwise, I detangled her once after I finished washing her, and then that was it. When the company told me the hair was curly, I imagined like some wild big curly hair, and that's why I kind of wanted the 150 density, but this is the 180 density, and I feel like if I had gotten the 150 it would have been too thin. When I took it out the box, it looked very thin, so I was like worried. As I began to kind of play with it and run my fingers through it and whatnot, it started to kind of like have more volume to it. So I'm pleased with that you can wear it like more calm, or you can fluff it out if you want. You can choose different looks. When you get the wig, it comes with these wig caps and an elastic band. Now, I feel like that is mad smart because when I was making my other wigs, these are things that I needed, like especially this elastic that I had to go and buy at the beauty supply store, but they cut enough for you to use. Like, you can use less, and like I don't think anybody would need to use more than this, so I think that that was a good touch that they added. The company calls this a curly bob wig, but I feel like this hair is more of a wave than a curl. I mean, you get more of a curl towards maybe the bottom. Overall, I see this hair as more wavy than curly. We'll be using my sister as the hair model today, just so that I can explain to you guys what's happening and I can see it for myself very clearly.
You see, it looked like it was cut with like a paper scissor or something. That's the only problem.
I used the hair scissors. So basically, what I did wrong was I cut too much lace and I cut it too jagged. So what she's doing now is she's trying to shape the cap underneath to the way that the lace is cut in the front, but she also has been like cutting it so that it has a better shape, and it's not as like zigzag on the hairline as it was before. My mess up on this was basically I didn't do edges properly. I cut the lace jagged and I cut too much of the lace off, and I did not pluck it enough to make it look all natural. So basically what she's gonna be doing is plucking it to make it look more natural. She already began to fix the hairline to fit more of my sister's hairline. So to glue down the front of the wig on my sister, she's using the Ghost Bond glue. But when I did it, I used the Got To Be Glued gel because I wanted a less long-lasting hold. But either one works fine.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
So this is where I went wrong as well. I did not cut baby hairs. I kind of just took the front of the hair and slicked it down because I was getting fed up. But she cut little sections in front of the hair to slick down as baby hairs, and as you see, it worked a lot better than mine did.
A little spray, we call this goddess water. Goddess water. Let me help you. You beg your miss. Goddess water. I'm on the helper. Give me. Boom. They call me Sunshine. Sunshine.
Okay, so this is the finished product. It's like brand new. So y'all see, I didn't mess it up that much.
Yeah, she didn't do completely terrible.
Still real cute, you know. And if you guys want to get this hair, you know, all of the information will be in the description box below.
What now? Bedtime? I need a snack. I need a nap.
If you guys haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to do so and hit the little notification bell so you can get notified when I post. I will see you guys next video. Later!